Before you can get started, you will have to repair the data source. You should know how to do that by now. Pause this video while you repair it. We will join points to polygons. The CD111 is the destination layer. Right mouse button on it and pick Join. Start at the top. We want to join layers based on their spatial relationship. The quake history is the source layer, and we need to collect the sum statistics. Be sure you know where your output will be saved. I'm working in my folder named CH9. Next, I can turn off the quake history layer and adjust the fields to display using the layer's properties. I'll make my new layer show up as dark red and use the definition query to only show those with 10 or more earthquake deaths. I'll turn on the original CD111 layer and make its symbol hollow. We finished this first problem. Activate the pollution risk data frame. Here we will join polygons to lines. The river is our destination, so right mouse button on it. Pick Join, use the Spatial Join method, set counties as the source layer, and collect the sum statistic. Be sure to set the output file name and location. I'll be using my CH9 folder and name this file Rivers with Pollution Sum. Next, I'll turn off my original layer and adjust the symbols of my new Rivers with Pollution Sum layer based on the Sum Population 22 field using graduated symbols colored blue. That finishes problem 2. Next, activate the closest volcano data frame. In this case, we'll be joining points to points. The cities layer is our destination layer, so right mouse button on it and pick Join. Use the Spatial Join method and set volcanoes to be the source layer. This will be a distance join, placing the nearest volcano attributes in the cities table. Be sure to set the output folder and file name. I'll be using my CH9 folder and to name the file cities with close volcano.shape. I'll turn off my original cities layer and adjust the symbols of the My Cities with Volcanoes file to be based on the nearest volcano name and make the points large enough to see. That finishes problem 3. Next, insert a new data frame from the Insert pull-down menu. Name the data frame Oregon Schools and Hospitals. Size the frame to fit in the lower right-hand corner of the page. From the Oregon Geodatabase in your MGIS data folder, add the counties, schools, and hospital feature classes. Change the hospital symbol to a big blue cross. In this case, we want each school record to include the name of the nearest hospital. So right mouse button on the school layer and pick Join. Use the Spatial Join method and set the hospitals as the source layer. This is a distance join. Be sure to set the output folder and file name. I'll use my CH9 folder again and name the file OR Schools Nearest Hospitals.shp. I'll turn off my original school and hospital layers and adjust the symbols of my schools to be the graduated color based on the hospital name, and adjust the size of the circle to be large enough to see on this map. You've just finished Chapter 9, Part A. Add your name and submit your map as a PDF file.